Mastering Medical Receptionist Chats, a guide to fluent English interaction. Hello everyone. Today, we're taking a trip to the doctor's office, but not for an actual checkup. No. We're here to learn how to communicate effectively with the receptionist during a medical appointment. This is a vital part of navigating healthcare in English-speaking countries and, as always, we're here to help you master this with ease. The receptionist is the first person you interact with at the doctor's office. They manage appointments, handle paperwork, and answer your queries. Knowing how to converse with them can make your visit to the doctor more efficient and less stressful. To schedule an appointment, you need to provide your name, the reason for your visit, and your preferred time. Here's a typical exchange. Hello, my name is. Your name. I'd like to make an appointment with doctor's name. Receptionist. Sure. What's the reason for the appointment? I've been having some stomach issues recently. Receptionist. I'm sorry to hear that. Let's see what we have available. What day and time are you looking for? Do you have any slots next Tuesday morning? Take note of the language used. Polite phrases like, I'd like to, and responding to queries with direct and clear answers are essential. Once you arrive, you need to check in with the receptionist. They'll ask for your name and sometimes for identification. Here's an example. Hi. I'm. Your name. I have an appointment with doctor's name, at time. Receptionist. Thank you. Your name. Can I have your ID, please? Sure. Here you go. Sometimes, you might have to wait before seeing the doctor. Here's how you can inquire about the wait time. How long is the wait expected to be? Receptionist. It should be about 20 minutes. We apologize for any inconvenience. That's fine. Thank you. Remember, it's okay to ask about wait times. It shows you're mindful of your schedule. After the appointment, you may need to schedule a follow-up visit or settle your bill. Here's a possible interaction. I need to schedule a follow-up visit. Receptionist. Of course. How does next month sound? That works for me. And how much do I owe for today's visit? Receptionist. Your total today is $150. Okay, I'll pay by credit card. Mastering these interactions can help you feel more confident and comfortable during your medical appointments. Practice these phrases, and soon you'll be navigating English-speaking healthcare like a pro. Until next time, keep practicing and stay healthy.